There's a new medical technology being used at Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare called SPY. It helps surgeons make critical decisions in the operating room by allowing them to see where the blood is flowing. Dr. Alfredo Paredes is here today to talk about the technology and what that means for patient care and recovery. Dr. Paredes, what exactly is SPY?
So SPY is an exciting new technology that utilizes a fluorescent green dye that can be injected into the bloodstream to assess blood supply to the tissues. It allows us to see how well the blood supply is to the tissue we're operating on.
So what are the advantages to you as a surgeon using SPY?
So it allows me to see real-time blood flow to tissues while I'm operating, so I can make decisions for the patient that would benefit them after surgery.
In what way?
So for instance, in a mastectomy case where a breast cancer is removed and the skin is left behind, I can then spy the tissues utilizing this technology and assess how well is the blood supply to the tissues going. That allows me then to make a decision to go ahead and reconstruct the patient. Another example might be a general surgeon. If they remove a piece of the intestine and then sew it back together, let's say after cancer surgery, we can spy the suture line of the intestine to make sure there's enough blood supply to it so it heals properly. This helps us prevent a leakage after surgery, which would be a complication for the patient later.
Right, so this really is, you're almost peering into the future with this kind of technology.
That is
right?
correct. It allows us to predict complications going forward by assessing the fluorescence of the green dye in the tissues utilizing the laser.
How widespread is this technology?
This technology is rarer. We're one of the few hospitals in the area that has technology like this. It's utilized in major cancer centers because it allows us to predict complications going forward.
Amazing. I'm so glad we have this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
To learn more about surgery at TMH, visit the WCTV.tv Ion Health page.
Ion Health, brought to you by Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare.